everyone, I'm Ms Jacquot and...
Hi, I'm Bailey.
That's right, Bailey Boo's with us today. What's that, Bailey?
What is today's sound, Ms Jacquot?
Today's sound is... Ah.
How do you remember the sound?
How do we remember it? We just need to flip the picture. What is that a picture of, Bailey?
Apple.
That's right, it's an apple.
Okay, let's play Spot the Sound. Let's go.
Well done, did you spot the sound? Good job! And how about you, Bailey?
Yes.
Great, let's see if we can test you now. Do you know any words that begin with A? Let's see if Bailey can help us.
Animals. Arrow. Alligator. Astronaut.
That was excellent. Now let's see if you can write it. What do we need to do to write it? Let's look at the picture. Bailey, can you help us? What do we need to do?
You go around the apple, down the leaf.
That's right, we need to go around the apple, down the leaf. Around the apple, down the leaf.
Can we read some green words now?
Yes, let's read some words. Our first word is...
Ant.
Let's read it. Ready? Ant. 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 Good job. Excellent reading. Our next word is...
And.
Excellent. Let's read it. And. 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 Excellent reading. Okay, Bailey, what's our next word?
Am.
Let's read it. Am. Am. Excellent reading. I think we can challenge ourselves and do one more word. Let's go, Bailey. One more word.
Act.
Okay, let's do it. Act. 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 Excellent reading. And well done to you, Bailey.
Thank you. Ms Jacquot, what sound did we learn today?
What sound did we learn today? We learnt the sound ah. 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 And what was in our picture today? Apple. Ah. Apple. Ah.
That was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it too.
See you next time on Phonics with Ms Jacquot.